In this video, I will show you how to display multiple bullet points on the same line in Microsoft Word. We've got a list of names already bulleted, but it's taking up too much space in the document. I'll cover two methods, the columns method and the table method. For the columns method, start by selecting your bullet points, then go to the Layout tab on your ribbon, click on Columns and choose how many columns you want. If you want 3 names on the same line, select 3 columns. For the table method, select your bullet points, go to the Insert tab, click on Tables, and choose Convert Text to Table. In the pop-up window, set the number of columns to match the number of bullet points you want on the same line 3, then click OK. Initially, you'll see borders around the bullet points, but to remove them, go to the Table Design tab on your ribbon, click on Borders and choose No Borders. Click outside the table and your bullet points will be displayed in 3 columns. If the last bullet point is misaligned, simply backspace and press Enter to create more space between the bullet point and the following paragraph. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.